Okay, so I've just got home from work. I've been driving my FN2 on the way home, and I love it again. It just goes to show you that the dyno graph does not tell you everything about a map. We've mapped this previously on the MAF sensor with the Ecutek software, and we've now mapped it, or Richard has mapped it, on SD, speed density, so it's using like map instead of MAF. Right, now that wouldn't necessarily, you would think, make a massive difference. Obviously we've done a bit of tuning, so a little bit of tweaking anyway, and I have finished up with an extra 5 brake horsepower, which is neither here nor there, we know that. But the way it drives is a lot better, and the reason it drives better for me is because it seems to be a lot smoother. So I mean certainly in traffic, and I know that sounds stupid, but I do a lot of mileage in this, and a lot of it is boring driving, not flat out hooning, enjoying it. So sat in traffic, the idle is smoother, and I think that's down to the fact that previously it was mapped on MAF, and I've got a great big CPL big bore induction kit, and I think the airflow going through the MAF wasn't necessarily as good as it should have been, very low down, and mapping it on speed density seems to have dramatically improved that. Now when I'm hooning it, again, it just seems that tad more responsive. It feels like it's so much smoother. So normally we've been mapping supercharged ones of these using speed density, and sticking with just the normal MAF setup on the rest of them. But a few of them that we've done recently have been on SD, and we've seen improvements over the cars that we've mapped previously to what we've mapped now. So I think that's going to be, moving forward, we're going to do them all like that, and this is why, because I'm really happy with it again. Yeah, so yeah, really happy with that. The car seems to drive better. I've actually got fuel now, which is nice. I've just filled it up, which cost me, let me tell you what it cost me. So it cost me to fill up 66 quid. 66 quid, and that is 44 litres of V-power. 66.23 it cost. So I shall report back, but I've been using different fuels recently to see if they make a difference. Yeah, but V-power is good stuff, isn't it? We know it is. Every time it's been mapped, it's been on V-power as well, just so that people are aware of that. Yeah, cool. So thanks for watching and all that, and like and subscribe and all that jazz if you fancy it. There's plenty more FN2 content already on the channel. There's plenty more to come. We've got a good 2 weeks of solid back-to-back mapping on EP3s and FN2s coming up, so stay tuned for those. Yeah, and I will see you on the next one.